cowboys out there, cowgirls, how y'all doing today? I'm out at the Yellowstone Ranch hanging out with my boy John Dutton and Brandon Dawson, for real. Hey, look, I want to show you how I went and built a business, a $5.5 million business in 90 days with no money, no contacts, couldn't use my name, and shave this pretty head. Okay? Look, 20 years ago, I couldn't have done this. 10 years ago, reality is, I could not have done what I did on Undercover Billionaire. That's because I didn't know what I know now. And what I know now, you need to know now, and that's why I'm talking to you in this damn video. By the way, out at the ranch. Brandon Dawson, my business partner here, for 25 years, longer than I can remember, has been teaching businesses how to scale. It's something I learned by trial and error, and I hope, by the way, that you don't have to go through this because you won't kill yourself on the way to bringing your cattle home. Every company I have now takes this quiz that I want to give you for free today. Brandon, tell them what it is.
Well, you know, Grant, there's over 4,000 businesses we've researched to understand. Over 4,000 businesses that we've researched over the last 12 years. That's right. Helping thousands of business owners understand how to grow and scale their business. There's 7 breakpoints from starting your business to achieving $125 million in revenue. If you don't have the right elements in place in each of those breakpoints, you'll snap back in business. And what a waste of energy and effort to do all that work to grow a business only to have it decline in value.
And it's what we call a breakpoint. Now, you're like, why are you guys the people that teach us this? Well, one business I had last year did $155 million. My real estate business did $460 million of revenue. Who am I to say this? Well, I'm what they call all hat and a bunch of cattle. Beat that out, okay? Why can I do that? Why can I say that? Because this cat gave me the algorithm to know when my revenue and my expenses start interrupting one another. There's an actual science behind it, okay? That's why I partnered with him. I said, look, bro, I need some help to build my deal. I got the passion. I got the motivation. I want to do something big. Maybe you do too.
And what we can do is we can teach you guys how to do exactly what we do. We've built our businesses over $200 million in revenue in the last 36 months following the exact same pattern. And what we do is we teach you how to avoid the pitfalls in those breakpoints so you can speed through to creating value for you, your family, and
can somebody give me some tobacco and a beer, goddammit?
I think we got the beer right here.
Look, the truth is you cannot skip the break points. You get knocked back. 3 steps forward, 2 steps backwards. If you feel like you're going forward, you finally get there, boom, recession comes and kicks your ass.
And why allow that to happen?
Fall off your horse. They're like, get back on the horse. That's the only thing you can do. But the truth is you keep getting up and you keep staying broke. Your cash accounts aren't there. Your accounts receivables aren't there. Your accounts payables. You keep losing great people. Why? Because they don't want to get back on the goddamn horse. This is not about luck and it's not about hard work. It comes because of knowledge. Now, what you got to do to get the knowledge is first thing you got to do is you got to answer the damn quiz. Even an illiterate can answer this quiz. If you got D's and F's in school like I did, this quiz is for you. And by the way, it's free. Embrace the quiz.
And you know, we built this specifically for you. I'm a high school graduate. I got worse than D's and F's. I barely got out of school.
Probably paid somebody off to get him through.
Exactly what happened. So look, if we can build businesses that are worth billions of dollars and we can show you exactly how to do it.
By the way, all you got to do is click that damn link. Costs you nothing. Okay? We're going to give you the break points, where you're suffering, where your weaknesses are, where your strengths are, what you need to double down on. And he is going to, like Nostradamus, like a tarot reader, like what's your horoscope bullshit, okay? He's gonna literally look into the future and tell you where you're gonna fuck up and what you need to do not to fuck up. Okay? If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired of working your ass off, sick and tired of falling off the damn horse, messing up your pretty hat, okay, bruising your ass, going home at night saying, God damn, I'm not getting ahead. Fill out that damn quiz. I'm telling you, okay? Look, I'm sitting on a 30,000 acre ranch right now, okay? These people invited me out here. They're like, come out here. I want you to show me, Grant, how to grow my business and build my business. Don't be all hat and no cattle, okay? You know what that means? I'm gonna tell you a story. I told this guy this story earlier. Guy told me that in New York 13 years ago. Picked up the bill. We had a great lunch. My wife, his wife, me, and him. had a great lunch. The bill came, and I knew it was going to be it was going to be a whopper. And the guy looked at me and says, I'll get that, Grant, because I didn't grab it, because I paused, I stalled. You know why? Because I was scared of money. I was scared of spending it. I was scared when I got it. He looked at me, he says, man, you all hat and no cattle. I didn't even know what that meant, Brandon, 13 years ago. I went and looked it up in the dictionary. It means you look good, but you ain't got no bank. You know what I'm talking about, bank? I'm talking about money where you're not scared anymore. And he was right. All hat, no cattle. Okay, this was a term about ranchers in the past. They could dress the part, they had the boots, they had the horse, they had the truck, but they didn't
like a big
own
deal.
the cattle. They didn't own the herd, they didn't own the produce, right? They didn't have any money. And that was the story of my life the first 30 years I was in business. Even when I had money, I was scared of it, which means you don't have money. I know people that are millionaires, I'm sure you do, that don't have any money because they worried about spending and using their money. Take this quiz, it's going to show you where you're breaking down. You might not even know where it is. Let's put your hat, your boots, your truck, whatever you want in your life. Let's get that money to stack up with it. You deserve to have that. But you don't know what you don't know, and this quiz is going to show you what you don't know, and the price is right. It's free, costs you nothing. Take you 30 seconds to do it. Shit. I finish this beer before you finish that quiz. Hit it right now. I guarantee you I'll be done with this by the time you finish the last question. Go.